everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to create Dorino grey. I have picked some olive green, some cerulean blue, some crimson red and some white mixed well together for the color combination. I am using an art knife for color mixing. For this painting, I am using 10 by 12 canvas board and using flat brush size 24. First, I am picking some Dorino grey and some white, mix well and apply top on the canvas board using flat brush size 24 for coloring and blending the colors on the canvas with sweeping horizontal brush stroke. Do not leave it to dry the canvas until finishing your blending for sky background. I am always using wet flat brush with sufficient of water. This will help to blend the colors smoothly on the canvas. Next, creating mountain. Picking some Dorino grey and little black, mix well together to create the outline and base of the mountain with the same size of flat brush size 24. After finished the background of the mountain, next to create the base of the water body with some Dorino grey acrylic. Still I am using same flat brush only, I did not wash it to the entire background. After finishing the background, once I leave the canvas to dry couple of minutes. Here, after drying the background, I am going to highlight up the mountain. Otherwise, without drying, the color will be merged. It will make new color when we apply the new color on it. Simple concept, give highlight and effect with use more white for the more light falling. Give lighter shade to the less light falling for the mountain. And be patient, it time take to get your desiring painting the way you want it to look. I am picking some black acrylic with filbert brush size 4 to create some trees and grass effect to the foot of the hill. Using one stroke techniques with downwards to upwards like this, just do it as I am doing. Now I am making a darker shade to the base of the plane field using sweeping horizontal brush strokes and applying the colors, taping over it. Using horizontal brush strokes from outside to middle wherever I have pointed it like this. Here just make thick even line brush strokes, apply black to under the grass effect to segregate. Now we can give the more realistic look to the mountains, so we can give more white with the palette knife for the realistic look wherever we want. Please just do it as I am doing. Don't feel bad to try and make it your own paintings. I think detail of this painting and the color combination inspiring you. If you are the absolute beginner, try this painting. I am welcoming you to paint in my art journey. In this A to Z concept, I am starting with first alphabet A for aqua, B for blue and C for caramel, color creating challenging and one color using with making of painting. Here are getting ready for you in my upcoming videos, so stay connected, like, share, subscribe. Already I have done more paintings in the theme of rainbow colors, which is the highlighting of one color using challenging. Our life can contains all the colors. That is the main concept of rainbow colors painting. Please check it and the playlist too. Next step is creating trees and grass effect. Making a straight line with palette knife and using angular brush to create leaves like this both sides of the straight line, like upwards step by step. After finish trees both sides of the mountain, then going to create some grass effect on the base of the plain field. Picking some white, mix with Dorino using tapping techniques. Same flat brush size 22, taping the colors over and over it here. Now we can creating water reflection edge of this down to make darker reflection. Here also the same darker shade reflections, finally highlighting the lake with waterly effect. Same angular brush what I have used already. Picking thicker white to give the water effect reflection in the water body. the end of this corner, just creating field effect with the flowers using same angular brush, picking some light shade of the grey to create flowers like this. One stroke techniques I am using here, holding the brush in vertical way to create flowers. Now creating clouds using same flat brush size 24, picking little Dorino grey and white mix well to create floating clouds around the sky like this. Here I am using circular brush strokes. I am creating here two fluffy floating clouds. Now picking thicker white with round brush size 6, put a little sunlight on top of here clouds. I am here making little smoothen up and tiny circles with the corner of this brush. Do not stay in one area, just keep on moving. And last, put some little highlight with white acrylic, just blend together in the bottom over. Don't feel hard to paint. I am also just learning day by day along with nature. This is not ending, just going on. Just enjoy and create your own artwork. If today you feel little hard to paint, this means just put your little effort for your little practicing. See you in my next painting.